segment of AFB TV, we meet the Malaysian Food Ambassador, a professional chef who shows us a recipe from her cookbook, using Malaysian Kitchen USA products, an exhibitor company showcasing at the America's Food and Beverage Show.
We are going to be making a red sauce, spaghetti with Malaysian-inspired spaghetti carbonara. And it's delicious because we have the flavors of the Mediterranean bringing together Asian, so it's Maderation. So today we have this Malaysian food. For those of you who do not know, it's absolutely delicious. It's right there in the peninsula, tucked between Singapore and Thailand, and it's the most beautiful country because people from all over the world converge right here to bring you the spices that are used in the Peruvian food, they're used in Jamaican food, they're used in Mediterranean food, they're used in Indian cuisine, and they all begin right here. So today we are bringing you the cuisine of the spice route, and you can have it in your restaurant, Latin style, Jamaican style, Haitian style. You could have it any way you want it. All you need to do is just add Malaysian products. And we're going to use the masak merah, which is our product here from Malaysia. It's Brahim's masak merah. It's delicious. And we're just going to add a few ingredients, which is right here on my dish. I have green peppers, I have some red peppers, I have onions and mushrooms. Now everyone knows these are basic ingredients for your pasta, but the only thing that you can't probably get in a lot of restaurants in the United States is your Malaysian sauces. And so these are your Malaysian sauces. They're beautiful and it's already cooking there. It's got so much of flavor. For those of you who do not know Malaysian food, you've got the spicy, not hot, but lots of layers of gorgeous spices, and then you've got sweet and then salty and sour. It's just gorgeous. Now if you like the party, it's a party in your mouth. Okay, and then what we're going to do is grill pan fry some tilapia right here. And I've just added a little bit of turmeric, and this is beautiful. And then we're going to put in some prawns. And we're going to cook this and make this into a beautiful caramelized dish. So we're going to cook the tilapia until it's golden brown. And the reason we are here in Malaysia, in Miami, is because Malaysia is the top trending flavors for 2014. Top 3 trending flavors. That's first, second and third. That's wonderful. And here we have Malaysia Kitchen for the world. Basically, we are bringing Malaysia into your home. So wherever you are, from Panama to Jamaica, Bermuda, Miami, Washington, Seattle, doesn't matter where, New York City, you can bring Malaysia into your home. And we have a range of products that you can add to your burgers, to your pastas. We have Lingam's chili sauce, which is a 100-year-old sauce. It's famous in Malaysia. Chilies roasted with roasted chilies that are so many generations passed down recipes. Then we have Brahim's, which is a traditional flavor of Malaysia. We have the Dolly products. They give you the flavors of the street foods of Malaysia. Everybody loves street food. So we have that, and all these products are available in the United States. So those people who love to eat Malaysian food can really go out there and buy these products in the stores and enjoy them at home. And you can get them online, and they are just absolutely delicious. So once you try Malaysian food, you really get addicted to it. You know, you get a lot of people who have not had Malaysian food. They love these flavors. Little bit of olive oil going in, just to keep that warm. We have beautiful spaghetti, which is Italian and Mediterranean Latin food. And then we have masak merah sauce, a beautiful red curry sauce. And then we also have some seafood cooking here. Yes, and we are going to plate this dish. It is beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, and I think the lovely thing that we want people is we want them to have a bite of Malaysia in their home. See, and you get 3 cultures in a spoonful. I mean that's amazing. You know, where in the world can you travel and have 3 cultures coming together in one dish? And I think that's it. So we've got this ready, and I'm going to plate. Look at that, delicious. Isn't that beautiful? Mouth-watering. Delicious. I think for people who love pasta, you are in for a surprise because this is Malaysia for you. Delicious prawns, look at that, I love this. So much of flavor, you know, when you cook Malaysian food, it's such a joy because you've got the colors, you've got all the beautiful colors, and you've got beautiful textures. And finally, we've got the fish that we're going to place on the side. So what do you think? Is that beautiful?
Excellent.